In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to target by country in Outbrain. Targeting by country is a simple but powerful way to make sure your budget reaches the right audience. Let's walk through the process together so you can set it up confidently and avoid common mistakes. First, log in to your Outbrain dashboard. From here, you can either create a brand new campaign or open an existing one you want to edit. If you're starting fresh, you'll move through the campaign setup flow. If you're updating an existing campaign, head into its settings so you can adjust targeting. Next, find the targeting section within the campaign setup. Depending on the interface version, this area may be labeled Location or Geo-targeting. This is where you control who sees your ads based on geography. By default, Outbrain sets your location to worldwide. That means your ads can serve globally unless you change it. If you leave it as is, your budget will be spread across many regions, which can dilute performance if you're focused on a specific market. So, if you want to concentrate on one or more countries, you'll need to update this setting. Click Add Location. In the search field that appears, start typing the name of the country you want to target, such as Philippines or United States. As you type, Outbrain will show a list of matching countries. Select the correct one from the suggestions. Take a moment to confirm you've chosen the full country entry and not a similarly named region or unrelated match. After selecting the country, you should see it appear in your included locations list. If you plan to target multiple countries, repeat this process and add each one. If your goal is to focus on a single country, make sure only that country is listed so your targeting is precise and your budget stays concentrated. Now, save your selection. Look for a Save, Apply, or similar confirmation button in the targeting area, and then save or publish your campaign changes. Saving ensures your new geo-targeting preferences are actually applied to delivery. Once saved, your campaign will only serve ads in the country you selected, or across the countries you included if you added more than one. This gives you tighter control over performance, helps align messaging with local audiences, and can reduce wasted spend. That's it. With these simple steps, you've set your Outbrain campaign to target by country and are ready to reach the right people in the right places.